You know, I am dying for some beef noodles, some Taiwanese beef noodles. Oh, there's some right here. Spicy, soup, soybean. This looks perfect. Let's do this. Hello. This one here, number one.
One.
Just number one, yeah. Do you have coffee?
Coffee meal.
No coffee. Okay, this is okay. All right, the noodles are here already. That was well quick. I've got the world's biggest chunks of beef in this thing. Really doesn't help that I got the world's smallest table though. Let's get a closer look. Look at that. Oh my god. And it was like, I don't know how much it was, if I'm honest. I think it was 40, 30. So it was cheap as chips, you know. Right, let's see how these are. These look delicious. They smell delicious too. And they're not spicy. Whoa. Unbelievable. It's my first meal in Taiwan so far. So it's a great way to start off the trip, you know. That was delicious. That was so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye. Oh, that was insane. Don't know what it was called. Whatever that says, that's the name of the place. Absolutely delicious. Oh, I'm so full. What a good way to start the day though. So those bits of beef was like 2 inches thick. They're all stuck in my teeth now. It's going to be like that all day, but yeah, it was great. It was great. So this is my first hour in the city. I've come straight here from the airport. My hotel's right down that street there. So this is pretty much my very, very first impressions. So we're exploring it together. So I'm heading to this viewpoint. I think it's called the Elephant Trail. I might be wrong. So before coming here, I had one friend who's been to Taiwan. I don't actually know many people that have been here at all. But my friend told me about this awesome hiking trail, which is on the outskirts of the city, and you can see the whole city skyline from there. And it's sunset in about an hour. So if I time this right, if I take my time getting over there, I should be able to get a beautiful sunset and see the whole city skyline. All right, there's the subway station, but I've just spotted this. Look at those. Wow. Let's go and check these out before we go in. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this little pagoda here. Got like a little lotus lake in the middle. Beautiful little spot. I wonder what this place is. Maybe it's a museum. I'm not sure. Right. Oh, I just farted jumping down there. Now I already got the subway already from the airport, and it was extremely easy. I got one of these little prepaid top-up cards, and it's just a case of topping up and booping it. So yeah, Taipei, Taiwan transportation, pretty easy. And we're out. Ooh. Guys, look at that. That's the Taipei 101, I think it's called. I don't know what it ranks as the tallest buildings in the world, but it's a big one. I'm going to try and go up there later, if I can. I don't seem to have any luck when it comes to getting up these tall towers. If you've seen my other videos, you'll... Oh my God. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I've tried to get up a few of these and I just have no luck. It's either sold out or I can't go up for whatever reason. I think I'm actually going the wrong way. I'm pretty sure it's this way to the trail. Right, everyone seems to be going this way. I'm guessing it's this way. I have noticed a few people walking with hiking gear. I hope it's not too bad of a hike. I've spotted tourists, and that looks like a picture of an elephant, I think. Oh, there's another picture of an elephant. I think this is the right path. Alright, up these stairs I go. Right, I've came to a little viewpoint. I don't think I'm at the top yet, because there's still stairs to go. Check this out. Oof. Wow. That building is stunning. It's like a wedding cake. You see how there's like little tears on it? Wow, I can't wait to go up that. Oh, look at this for a sunset. I think oh, you can't really see much there. I think I did time it perfect. It is pretty busy though, but whoa. Come to another little viewpoint here. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists. Right, look at this for a view. Oh my god. There's that wedding cake. Everyone's got the fancy cameras here, putting me to shame. Oh my god. Quite enjoyed that. Wasn't too bad. I think if you was to do that in the middle of the day, it probably would be a bit too much. I am sweating and it's like the evening or coming into sunset, so yeah, maybe don't do it in the middle of the day. Should be an elevator. I'll tell you what there should be as well. There should have, at least. Some of those, I've got to be really careful here not to break my neck. Should have some of those binoculars at the top, so you can look at all the buildings and the views. That'd be really nice. Oh, little doggies too. It's kind of wild how people were hiking that in trousers, like full-length jeans. Ugh, sickos. Right, now this Taipei 101, this wedding cake behind me, well, in front of me, it's only a 15-minute walk away. And I was going to catch the subway, but might as well have a little walk, even though my legs are trembling. They're like this, they're, you know when you're really exhausted and you've just done a bit of exercise? Yeah, that's what my legs are right now. I don't think that beef noodle soup really hit the spot. Well, the taste was good, but didn't really give me the fuel I needed. Oh well, maybe I'll go to a night market later on. I can get some more snacks. And by the way, I'm always looking for local suggestions on places to go and things to see in these cities that I travel to. So if the video's up in time and I'm still in the city, just drop a comment down below. Recommend me a place or two if you know somewhere good, and maybe I can just include it on the next video. I'd love to explore some new places. Okay, I've made it. There's the tower. Absolutely huge. Right, let's try and find a way in. That did feel like it was longer than 15 minutes though. I feel like I've been walking forever, and it's got dark pretty quick too. Wow, this thing's huge. Crazy. I really hope I can go up this, but I'm not getting my hopes up too much. You know how my luck is. I think there's a shopping centre right in the bottom too, in the bottom of the building. So maybe we could do some shopping whilst we're trying to find my way up. I have no idea what's in the actual building itself though. Like, is it commercial buildings? Is it a residence? Is it office space? Is it a mixture? I'm inside. This is the most of a map that I can find right now. There's a food court, a mall, a little observatory on the 5th floor, skydining, an even numbered floors. Right, I'm going to head up, as it's probably the most logical direction to head, right? Alright, well I can see people going up. Here's the ticket counter. Oh, look at that. Looks like the same artwork as the Tokyo Skytree. Hey.
Hello.
I want to go up to the top.
Today is sold out.
Ah, is that only today?
Yes.
Oh.
Now only here. You can go to one ticket for free.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
It is? Are you sure?
Today the view is good.
Okay. How much is it to go to these three?
600.
600.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know if you heard or saw then, I got my ticket. The 101st floor, which is the tippy top, that's sold out for today. But I can go up the 89th, 90th and 91st, or like 3 floors in a row towards the top, and that costs me 600 Taiwanese dollars. Honestly, I'm not sure what the currency is yet, but it's around $20, 20 US dollars. So it could be worse, it could be worse. But yeah, I've got my ticket, let's go up. We'll see if these views are worth the money. Right, I know these views aren't going to do it justice on the camera at all. Oh, not too bad. But you'll just have to believe me that they are much better in person. It's really cool up here. have just learnt as well that it's called, I'm going to whisper this next part because it's kind of embarrassing that I've just learnt it, but there's 101 floors and that's why it's called the Taipei 101. Makes sense. So this is one of 3 floors that I can, my ticket allows me to. So let's try and find the stairs to the other floors. Whoa, look at this! What's this Death Star? This is cool. Ah. I think I know what it might be. Right, I think, let me know if I'm wrong, but I think it has something to do with earthquakes. Maybe. Kind of doesn't look real. These little bits of metal rope. Kind of looks plastic. I don't know, I trust the engineers though. I'm sure it's right. Who am I to judge? Wow, this is cool though. Oh, I want to go up there. I am a genius. It's called a damper. And it shows you here several other buildings with dampers too. And it is, in fact, for earthquakes. I should have been an engineer. Oh, I was there last week. That's cool. Absolutely starving now. You'd be surprised how much walking I've actually done today. But lucky for me, right around the corner, around this corner right here, is a night market. So I should be able to find, oh it's getting a bit busy here, I should be able to find some Taiwanese snacks. Oh, I can see some already, look at those. So I got really lucky then, because this one here, it's called Rohi Night Market. I'm definitely pronouncing that wrong. But apparently it's one of the best ones in the city and it's right next to the Taipei 101. Oh, I've spotted the durian. I bet it's cheaper than Singapore though. I don't even know what that stuff is. Testicles by the looks of it. Oh, this one's popular. Sweet potato balls. That sounds pretty good actually. Oh, they've also got clothes and... What would you class a belt as? Is that clothes? Oh my god, what is this? What the hell is that? Oh my god, it's a giant watermelon. Wow. Taiwanese watermelon right there. Some pizza. Pineapple cake. Oh, that looks good too. It all looks pretty good down here. And it's never ending. I want to try something new though. I'd love a bit of a tour guide down here, that would be nice. I need to find a local to come and help me. Whoa, look at this one. He's putting egg inside whatever that is and frying it. It's like an egg pastry by the looks of it. We got crab. We got tteokbokki. Oh, we got some Korean food too. We got some soups. We got even more meats. Nice. There's also a fishing spot. Each one of those is like full of little sea critters and you get to catch your own. I kid you not, I've been walking down this one road for about 20 minutes now. Right. It's just, everything's different too. Not everything's the same, which is great, but like I said for 3 times now, I'm a little spoiled for choice. Getting whiplash from my head just looking either way too. I just really don't know what to get. Right, I've got to pick something. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Pork cabbage bun. Hello.
Ni hao.
Can I have one? Pork.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my god, that's hot. Thank you so much. Right. Not even the foggiest yolk and custard. That sounds good to me. Let's do one of those. Hello. Egg yolk and custard. Two. 250. Yes. Okay. So I'm having 2 egg yolk and custard, and it's 50 Taiwanese dollars. That's a bargain, I think. Change, that's a 50, right? Perfect. Here they are. Nice. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you. They're very hot, apparently. Alright, I think I can go to the end of the market and eat these, get a bit more space. It's the only problem with these, there's just no space to eat any of it. Right, let's see what these are about. Haha. Whoa. It's like an inferno. Ooh. Oh damn. Those are good. The lady was right, you do have to be careful biting these, it just pops in your mouth. But look at that, you've got egg yolk and custard mixed together. These are really good, and it's like 50 for 2. I can't do the conversion in my head, but it's cheap, it's cheap. Oh, well that was an adventure, walking up and down that street. I'm pretty happy with what I got though. Remember guys, please drop the recommendations for Taipei down below. And if anyone can translate any of the nonsense that I was looking at today, please do. I'd love to know more about what I was eating and what I was looking at. Until next time guys, peace.